Hey guys, so in today's video we are in the master bedroom and I'm going to do some cleaning and decorating on the sitting room side. Last time I gave you step-by-step instructions on how to make the bed, and if you didn't see that video I will link it below. But today we're going to do some maintenance in here. We're going to get the rug clean. I'm going to clean the sofa and the chair, and then I'm going to put up the new curtains that I picked up that I shared during my last haul. And then, as you can see, I have a few things out, and I'm choosing gold as my metal for this space. And so I have the original curtain rod, which is silver, and so I will be spray painting that gold just to, kind of freshen up the space and just use a different metal. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out by taking down the curtain and then washing the windows, and then I'm going to freshen up the sofa with this peroxide and Dawn solution. And then I'll clean the area carpet with my Resolve carpet stick. Now, one other thing, I don't know if I'm going to get it done in this video, but I would like to repaint the mantle and the bookcase. So we'll see. Nothing crazy. I just want to freshen it up with a white, just a simple white coat. It has a kind of a wash on it right now, the cabinets and the mantle, and so just like with my kitchen cabinets, I'm kind of over the wash, and so I just want to go with a simple white. Now, this solution that I'm going to use for the sofa is just my own little solution. There are many different recipes online that you can look up for different purposes. So for me, I just add water to a bowl and a couple drops of Dawn dish soap and a couple drops of peroxide. Actually, I may do, say, a fourth a cup of each, and then I just get my rag and wipe the couch down. It kind of sanitizes the sofa and cleans it at the same time. And another thing, I wanted you guys to see how dirty the rag turned out after cleaning both pieces. So sometimes when your furniture does not look dirty, the dirt is deep inside the fabric, and it just helps to clean it and just refreshen the space. So I know the sofa is clean and the room smells fresh. Okay, so that was a nice little workout, getting both pieces wiped down. So I'm probably not going to do the bookcases today. I'm just going to wipe them down really good, and then I'll visit that project another day. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and paint the mantle, and so now let's see if I get a second win and paint the bookcases later. So this is before, and then this is after. Okay guys, so this is how things are looking so far. You may or may not be able to tell, but I went ahead and just painted the bookcase. This is something that I had been wanting to do for quite a while, and this just was the time. The one on the left is before, and the one on the right is after. So this was a quick job, but I'll probably go back over it at a later date. I did run out of paint, so I did the best that I can do with what I had to work with. So I think it turned out great, and it was just time to get rid of the faux finish. So let's go ahead and get the room decorated so you can see how the entire suite came together for spring. And I want to thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because that really helps out my channel when you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you guys are looking for a nice Serenity spa smelling candle, the Casa Luna Serenity candle is the way to go. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met.